Hey everybody, making a video for the Helpful Lockpickers 15,000 subscriber giveaway, and we had to pick and gut a lock. So we're going to take this storage locker lock that I cut off of a storage locker. It was locked against the wall, or you can't get lock picks to it. So I went ahead and cut it, and so we're going to see if we can pick it and then gut it, and hopefully maybe win that giveaway. So I'm going to be using a bottom of the keyway and a 18 thousandths standard hook by Peterson. And you see I'm on location here in my garage because it's easy to pick. So I've got it picked. And I'm in my garage here because to gut this, I have to need the drill press here because these of course are not locks that you're supposed to be able to gut. So I'll be using the drill press. And to save my hole size, I'm going to be using some lubrication. So we'll alright. And I do not want it to lock back because I'd like to easily be able to get it out. Alright, now I'll put a piece of tape over the keyway too to try to keep the oil from getting in the cylinder. Use some cutting oil. So that helps save your bits here. And see if we can zoom in. And here we go. Yeah, that's working. I just did this to start with. There we go. All right, success. This is actually riveted in there. This is a little bit different than the Chateau brand ones, but we're far enough into this here we can actually get it. Clip off. I think we can anyway. Okay, so the clip's now off the cylinder, and we're just gonna relocate down to the floor here. All right, I think we're cooking with fire now. All right, so to gut this guy, all right. Okay, there's all of our drivers. There's all of our key pins. All right, so here we go. All of our pins, everything in there is standard. And so, anyway, this is didn't go how I hoped it would go, but anyway, that is a lock picked and gutted, so that ought to be good enough for the giveaway. So that will do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later.